Are you guys running ads without testing? That's essentially the same thing as throwing darts blindfolded. And honestly, you guys would be so surprised of how many people make the exact same mistake. Ask yourself this question. If you guys look at the biggest brands in the world, are they testing their ads or are they not? The answer is that they are, and to a pretty large extent, because A/B tests not only help them save time, but they also help them save money and show them exactly what is working and what is not. However, doing this whole process manually can be a huge headache. And that's exactly where AdCreative.ai comes in. Pretty much what it does is that you guys give it a couple details regarding your guys' brand, and the more details the better. And from there on, it actually gives you guys many different versions of the ad to work with, and that way you can test different ones. That's going to save you guys a ton of time because you don't have to go in there and one by one change every single ad. That way you guys can optimize without the guesswork because the platform itself actually connects to your guys' ad accounts. So let's go ahead and see how this looks like under the hood and jump right in. And if you guys want to follow along with everything that I'm doing, there is going to be a link down below in the description. It's going to give you guys access to a free trial of the platform so you can actually play around with it yourself. So once you guys create the account from the link down below, this is what you're going to see. There's going to be multiple options here for you guys. Brands, projects, analytics, predictions, mini tools, and settings. Now the first thing that you guys want to do is just go to your guys' initials right over here in the top right hand corner, press them, go to platform connections, and make sure that whatever ad platform you guys are using, Meta Ads, Google Ads, LinkedIn, Pinterest, right? Connect it. The reason why you guys want to connect it is because all the information from those ads is going to go inside of your guys' system. Because look, you guys cannot A/B test at all if we don't know what conversions are there, we don't know what's working, what's not. Because we can A/B test if we don't know if those ads are even converting. And that's why connecting those ad accounts is going to be really important because it's going to give you guys the entire journey there, all the way from start of creating the ad to the finish whenever a person converts. So once those ad accounts are connected, let's go ahead and plug in our brand. So let's go to brands here. So once you guys' ad accounts are ready, let's go ahead and plug in our brand. Now in this box right over here, you guys can plug in your own business or brand. But for this video, I'm going to use an example. Now I've been recently obsessed with triathlon. I've been thinking about signing up for an Ironman and I've been looking into wetsuits for myself. And if you guys have ever done a triathlon, you would know that Roka suits are the #1 in the game. And we're going to use Roka as our example here. So let's go ahead and copy the domain here, Roka Multisport. Let's go back to our app and we're going to go ahead, put it in there, and boom, it's found the brand. We can go ahead and select the brand logo if we want and even our brand colors. So let's go ahead and create it. Now from here, you guys are going to have a lot of different options and it all depends on what you guys want to create. You guys can create a basic ad creative with an image or product photo ads, product videos, ad text, stock images, social creatives, ad package, or batch creatives. You guys get the point. There's a lot of different things we can create. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to go with the ad creative right over here. Now, whenever we're creating an A/B test, let's first think about our goal here. Is it going to be link clicks? Is it going to be conversions? Is it going to be likes? What is it going to be? And with that in mind, it's going to determine on what ad type we're going to select. So whether it's a post size, landscape size, story size, portrait, pin, or even it's going to be in display. But most of you guys that are watching this video, you probably are curious about social media aspect of things. So I'm just going to go with the post size one right over here. So let's go down and press next step. Now from here, you guys can go ahead and write the actual headline, punchline, or CTA for you guys' ad. And if you guys are lazy like me, you can also utilize AI to write it for you. And that's why connecting you guys' ad accounts is going to be really crucial because the AI is going to be educated based on the previous results from you guys' other ads. And the more information that it has, the more specific you can get when writing the best ad creative possible. So let's go ahead and generate it. Let's press generate text here. And our product is going to be Maverick X.3 wetsuit. It's going to be in friendly tone. It's going to be in English. And again, you guys can go ahead and modify the product description here, but you guys get the point. And our audience is going to be triathletes, of course. And the CTA is going to be shop now. So let's go ahead and press save and generate. Man, do I love robots doing all the work for me. Our headline here is going to be struggling with swim speed, question mark. Punchline is going to be glide with Maverick X.3. And the CTA is going to be boost your swim. Oh man, I need it. And of course, all these images you can go ahead and import to the system as well. And if you guys want to see other versions that it created, go ahead and go in here and it's going to give you guys a bunch of other ones. So speaking of A/B tests, what I'd recommend is if you guys like this headline here, but you also like the one effortless water glide, you guys can also create the A/B test between those two and see which one works better. But the thing is, whenever you guys A/B test, you don't want to have just two completely separate ads because that way you don't really know what are people clicking on. And what I mean by that is that there's going to be a lot of different variables when it comes to the ad. There's going to be the target, there's going to be the text, there's going to be the actual visual, there's going to be a lot that comes into it. So what I'd recommend is in the beginning, just go broad. So it's okay to have completely different ads, but as you guys grow, keep one ad and make minor adjustments to it. So whether it be the description, the actual visual, the color, the headline, modify those to see which one works best. And once we're ready here, let's go press next step. And you guys can upload your guys' own photo here, or we can search by images. So let's go ahead and type in triathlon swimsuit. Boom, and check it out. They look pretty sick. Man, I hope I look like this. And let's go ahead and select this one. It looks pretty sick. We're going to unlock it for $0. And the project name is going to be swimsuit. Let's press generate. Awesome. Now check it out. There's going to be a ton of different versions here for us. And as you guys see, there's going to be a conversion score right over here above each one of the ads. And the way we were able to get that score is that the AdCreative platform has actually ran a ton of different tests in the past and is able to see which ads worked and which ones didn't. So essentially, this information is based on a ton of previous tests. And as we scroll down, the number does go down because those ads historically did not convert as well. But the beauty of A/B testing is that I can actually put them against one another to really see which one works for you. Because remember, every brand and business are different, so what may have worked for you may not work for another business. And if you guys want, you can actually directly publish these ads from the platform themselves and run an A/B test on there. So for example, if I want this one, this one, this one, we can either download them right over here or just publish them onto the ad platforms. And if you guys want to tweak it a bit before you guys publish, all you got to do is just go to edit here, and there's going to be a quick edit tool or a creative studio editor. And the creative studio editor is going to be pretty sick. And essentially you guys can modify the ad all within one platform. So you guys don't need Adobe and then Figma. You can all do it with AdCreative.ai. And it's all drag and drop, no code needed. It's really intuitive to use. But let's go back here and close the editor. Let's save our changes. And remember, you guys can also go and put more videos in there, images, whatever you guys want. And that way you'll have as many ads as possible. You guys are not only stuck with one image, as you can go ahead and test different versions out there. And as you guys are testing out different things, don't only look for you guys' sales. The reason why I'm saying that is because different ads can be good for different things. Some may be really good for getting that initial traffic, while others may be really good for those conversions. What I'd recommend you guys to look for is if we're seeing that an ad is bringing a lot of traffic, but maybe not getting as many conversions, utilize that for just more awareness. But the ads that are getting a lot of conversions, double down on those and use them for further closes. And just remember, in the beginning, it's okay to A/B test on everything, but as you guys grow, make sure you guys tweak little details to find that final champion. And if you guys want further analytics tools on you guys' ads, go ahead and go to predict, and you guys can utilize the creative scoring AI that kind of predict the performance of you guys' ad. But if you guys have some compliance things that you have to worry about, put it through the compliance checker AI, and it's going to tell you if you guys are in the clear or not. But as you guys are running your ads, make sure that you guys let it run for a good amount of time. Don't stop it after 3 days, and I'd say the minimum that you guys have to run it for is at least 7. That's going to give you guys enough data because people's shopping habits are going to be completely different on a Tuesday morning compared to a Saturday night. And the things that I would look for when it comes to your guys' ads is click-through rates, cost per click, the ROAS, and conversion rate as a whole. And remember to keep testing because what works now may not work in the future. And there you guys have it. As you guys saw, running A/B tests is not just a nice to have, but it's pretty much a must. It's essentially a secret behind creating ads that actually work and convert. With AdCreative.ai, not only can you guys create the ads themselves within the platform, but you can also test them and see which ones work and which ones don't. And the coolest thing about it is that they directly integrate with your guys' ad platforms, so we have the whole customer journey there. So if you guys want to try out the platform completely for free, the link for it is going to be below down in the description. And if you guys got some value out of this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.